Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Chevy Bolt hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle's cabin. You'll typically find this lever on the driver's side, usually positioned near the left footwell. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the first latch mechanism has successfully disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine compartment safely and efficiently. Now move to the front of your Chevy Bolt and stand directly in front of the hood. Carefully reach your hand underneath the center edge of the hood. You'll need to feel around for a small lever or a tab. This is the secondary release mechanism, designed as a safety feature. It might be slightly recessed, so take a moment to locate it by touch. Once you find it, you're ready for the next step. With the secondary latch located, gently push the lever either to the side or upward, depending on your specific model. You'll notice the hood will slightly pop up, indicating it's now free to be lifted. Carefully raise the hood all the way up. Then, find the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood, and securely insert its end into the designated slot to hold the hood open safely. This ensures stability while you work. Before you finish, always ensure the hood is fully and securely latched before you begin driving. A loose hood can be extremely dangerous. Also, take a quick moment to check for any tools or items you might have left under the hood. When closing, lower the hood gently until it's about 12 inches from closing, then let it drop firmly to engage both latch mechanisms. This ensures everything is secure and safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.